Goodbye, autism. I love you.
Scared? I'll show you scared. Hand me those acting sticks!
Start by saying, you hurt her and I will end you. I will bite your freaking face off.
What's my line?
Peace, loops, and ascension. Peace, loops, and ascension. Waves of the water break down the tension. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je suis perdu. Mi corazón, mi corazón. Me gusta la moto, me gustas tú. Me gusta correr, me gustas tú. Me gusta la lluvia, me gustas tú. Me gusta volver, me gustas tú.
Hey, Mr. White, did you hear about Candace?
Your mother hung herself!
Hello? What? I can't hear you. Speak up. What? You're autistic? Wow, welcome to autism. Yay! You can just fuck off.
Oh, pardon me?
You heard me.
Ah, fuck off. Now what would that mean? I don't quite understand.
Who can be sad on such a sunny day? Knocking on every door, come out and play. With neighbors kind and colorful, so much to see and do. You finally found a friendly place that's waiting just for you. So welcome home.
Peace, loops, and ascension. Peace, loops, and ascension. Waves of the water break down the tension.
Hello? Hello? I know you're there.
Let me ask you, what if I offer you something that could change your life forever?
Attention all horror fans! There is a great new horror project in the works. Oh, shit's cut off. But it's called Welcome Home. Here is their website. It's kind of like a lost media horror. If anyone read it on Creepypasta, it's giving Candle Cove vibes. And this whole website is about, like, recovering the lost media of Welcome Home. And the show's about Wally and some of his friends. But if you go on the website, there's a bunch of, like, hidden Easter eggs. And then I'll do, like, creepy shit like this. Aww. And these messages that are hidden on the site just, like, really draw you in. So for updates, I would go to the website or just follow Clown. Fuck yeah, I love that name. Follow Clown on Twitter for updates, I guess. But yeah, I'm calling it now. Everybody's gonna be cosplaying these characters and like making OCs and stuff because I mean this is just so fucking good. So yeah.
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Es difícil de escuchar. Piensas en este divertido teléfono, muy borroso, un poco como yo. Hablando de... ¿Tú sabes quién soy? Oh no. Bueno, eso no es un problema en absoluto. Y sin embargo, no te preocupes. Nunca nos hemos conocido antes. No hemos hablado tú y yo. pero te he visto cada vez que luchas contra mis ojos. ¿Por qué no vistes lo que hiciste? Hola. ¿Qué? ¿Eres autista? Ja, ja, ja. Muy bueno. Se lo diré a casa. Casa. Estoy en el teléfono. Son autistas. Ya le dije a casa. Adiós, autista. Te quiero.
Peace, hoops, and ascension. Peace, hoops, and ascension. Waves of the water break down the tension. Peace, hoops, and ascension. Peace, hoops, and ascension. Waves of the water break down the tension.
And I wouldn't mind. Guess we're on a ride, and we could take our time.
Class, today we're going to be welcoming a new student into our class. Everybody meet Jaquavius Thompson. Nah, Jit, ugly. Nah, shawty in love. Hey, guys, cut it out. Nah, the teacher jealous. You told us to welcome the new student. I'm gonna make him feel real welcome, alright? No you won't. But you told us to. Yeah, you kinda did. Jamal, get out. Nah, Jit, tripping. LaShonda, you are not to talk, look at, or even breathe the same air as the new student. You understand? Nah. Whatever.
Say you'll never leave me. Say you'll never leave me. Who has a face like Smarty does? Who has a voice like Smarty does? Who has a choice like Smarty does? Nobody.
Damn, dude, this place is huge. Yeah, it's almost as big as Carmen's ass. No, it isn't, you get.
Yo, I'm really sorry, okay?
What is wrong with you? Why are you blue?
It's clear that you're upset with me. Oh, finally found a girl that you couldn't impress. Last man on the earth still couldn't get this. You're delusional, boy, you're losing your mind.
Sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows. Everything that's wonderful is what I feel when we're together.
So is nobody going to talk about the fact that good old Wally here is basically a cat? Stay with me. Let me run you through it real quick. Firstly, sweetest boy ever. Or absolute menace, no in between. He just stares at things, specifically apples, because he thinks they're neat. And we've seen a couple of times in a couple of silly little pictures where his pupils will dilate when you're in danger.